Today, I'm going to show you how to play FC Mobile with any controller, whether you're using a Bluetooth controller or a wired one. I'll walk you through the steps to get you gaming in no time. First things first, make sure your controller is compatible with your mobile device. Most Bluetooth controllers like Xbox, PlayStation, and even third party ones should work fine, so check the manufacturer's website if you're unsure. Next, let's connect your controller to your mobile device. For Bluetooth controllers, make sure your controller is charged and in pairing mode. On your mobile device, go to Settings and then on Bluetooth and make sure it is turned on, and look for your controller in the list of available devices. Tap on it to connect. After your controller is connected, open FC Mobile. You may need to adjust some settings in the game to ensure the controller works seamlessly. In the game, go to Settings and look for Controls. Make sure to enable controller support if there's an option. Depending on your controller, you might want to customize the button mapping. Some games allow you to adjust which buttons correspond to in-game actions. Check the controller settings in FC Mobile to see if you can customize your layout for a more comfortable experience. Once you're set up, go ahead and start a match. Use your controller to navigate through the menus and control your players on the field. You should notice a smoother gameplay experience, especially when it comes to dribbling and shooting. And that's it, you're all set to play FC Mobile with your controller.